Hello. I think this is the window I'm looking for here. This can be a much kind of smaller scope demo. Um, this is demo instance. So first I'm going to show you what the app looked like, which is that we used to have three pickers down here, which took up a decent amount of space in the bottom bar, as well as all these buttons lingering over here. And so what's in the app today is a bit of a cleanup. I think I demoed an early version of this about a week or two ago, but now it's in the app where it'll show you the topic in a chip and then try to subtly show you the model and the connection down here. Cleaned up some space on the right as well. So that's live in the app. And then the other piece of UI change coming to AI is uh, on production right now, we use a sidebar for the split view of chat and whatever content you're looking at. So if you want to view history, you click here, new chat, debug mode and all that, which works okay, but it doesn't work great when you have these nested sidebars. So if you're on like a workbook with a sidebar and also have the split view sidebar here, you get nested sidebars. It's kind of ugly. And so what's coming in soon is we've gotten rid of the sidebar for the split view chat, and now we're going with these little headers up here to click on the history and view your previous chats this way. And then the Omni button just kind of behaves the same way as it does everywhere else in the app. So some small iteration and cleanup. And maybe in the future, what this will unlock is the ability to have a setting to determine which side of the page the split view goes on. We're thinking about embed specifically, where some people might want this panel to go on the right, and that's really hard to do when you have a sidebar that must be on the left. So we're just trying to think about be a little more forward thinking with this UI.